Hi, welcome to my channel, it's Claire here. Today's card is this concertina box card. It does stand up, so it is freestanding, super fun, really easy to make, so I'll show you how to do it. If you haven't already, will you please hit that like and subscribe button. So as always, what I'll do is I will put a link in the description below that contains my blog post with all the written measurements, but I'll give you them as I go along. So you want 4 pieces, so 4 3/4 by 6 3/4, 4 3/4 by 5 3/4, 4 3/4 by 4 3/4, and 4 3/4 by 3 3/4. And onto them I'm going to put my mats and layers. So I'm using the Rainbow Day Care Bears paper, and for my big one, my mat and layer, so my mat is 6.5 by 4.5, while my layer is 6 1/4 by 4 1/4. My next panel, the mat is 4 1/2 by 5 1/2, while the paper is 4 1/4 by 5 1/4. My silver, so my mat is 4 1/2 by 4 1/2, while my layer, the paper, is 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. And I've just got a piece of white on this one, and this is silver 4 1/2 by 3 1/2. And the white is 4 1/4 by 3 1/4. You then want 2 pieces which measure 6 3/4 by 6 1/2. And what you're going to do, so 6 3/4 at the top, you're going to score at 1/2 inch, and you're going to put a pencil mark up from the bottom at 3 3/4, and you're going to draw a line from that pencil line at 3 3/4 to the edge of this half score line here, and cut it off so it looks like that. So once they're both cut, lay them together to make sure that you've got that they're exactly the same, and then we'll score them. So you're going to score these if you put your 1/2 inch to your left hand side. So that's your half. You're going to score at 1 1/2, 2 1/2, 3 1/2, 4 1/2, and 5 1/2, and do that on both. You then need to fold them. So if you put them like this, because this is where your panel's going to go in the middle, this first half one on this right hand side, we're going to fold as a valley, back on itself as a mountain. We're just going to literally concertina this. Back as a valley, as a mountain, valley, mountain. And then with this one, we're going to do mountain first, then as valley, then a mountain, valley, mountain, valley. Just give them a quick burnish. Then pull in your biggest panel, open these back out a little bit, and we're just going to put glue down the 1/2 inch score line here. Then pull your panel in, and this should line up perfectly top and bottom. So push it up to the score line and just make sure it's flush, definitely at the bottom. If you're slightly out, be out at the top. Then the other side. Then fold your concertina around on one side, and you want to run your glue just to the inside of this score line here. And your next panel is going to go up to that score line again and flush with the bottom. Now open that out slightly so we can get to the score line here. So we're going to put as glue here, and then fold your concertina in and push this back on itself so that you line it up again. Just spilled glue everywhere. And come your next one, so open your next one out, glue down here again, push it into the score line and again line it up at the bottom. Miss this one, it's this valley that you want to put the glue just to the side of. Fold that in again and push that up too, so it's flush at the bottom. Now for your last one, make sure you don't put the glue right to the top of the panel. It might be worth pulling in your front panel first, because just so you've got an idea of where you're going to go, and then you want glue on all of this up to. So I do like that. I'm not going to go above that panel then, and then this wants to line up with the bottom as well. And it's just a case of decorating this front panel. So to do that, I've used the Care Bear stamp and die set. I've coloured die cut, put some glossy accents on the tummy, and I've heat embossed the bear hugs. I've just put some foam tape on the back. And then I'm just going to finish that panel with some Nouveau drops, which are in Caribbean Ocean. So I hope that you enjoyed that. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.